Yo, Mulipwanjipa Zambia, how are you guys doing? We are back with another Zambian reaction, and this time we are taking on hip hop. Okay, my name is TT. I am from Botswana, but if you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Also, leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, and if you have any recommendation. This does not mean that I will get to your recommendation, but just leave it, just in case, see what happens. You know what I mean? So, yeah, let's get to Zambia hip hop. The best, what? The best Lyapa alive, the best rapper alive. What am I reading here? Anyway, yeah,
Bittersweet.
K-Star, let's go.
If I ever gotta take shots, ntampana madabo Ngobu wandetero, bunshatarabu nuapo Top 5 rappers, nshatarapu swapo Tryna make a hit, twara tampana manako Rapu yesu itari, apashimo fena sisiri Sneaky dinky kumupera lipuridi kwikiri Titiri, bamwine ba
I wonder how many feathers were ruffled on this song, you know, because once you call yourself the best of something, that means you are already undermining somebody. So, I just wonder.
Speaker initially, hello, not to finish fina engine. Baluni abu chushi Bruce Rita pompere. Deep life papa emu foro wa konkere. Bossere, nangu tayaro kere twari bombere. Outfit tight, they ask kona donsere. I don't mean to cut you off kwati ni ambirigo. Teku yumfwa nangulo kukano wa fridisho. I'm comfortable with just having a little bit of wealth. And now you wanna offer me a little bit of help. I'm like, I'm a punchline, the same it is. Vaquero na bo DVD. Iriashiria dungu boy. I'm a punchline, the same it is. Vaquero na bo DVD. I ain't high na, limbi chimbwimbi imbi. Just for laughing, uli muli supu dimbwimbi. Heard you.
Man, this is like so effortless. He's so relaxed saying all this stuff, and I'm guessing it's not that bad. It's just so relaxed. I've never seen a rapper so chilled. You know, he's not doing all this.
Also been a rat ni we kwindirimbi. No news about you walking in bidding shit. Shit. We can efe tondoro, kontolo kwa ura na zoni famu no. Fire bonse banchita digi no for sure. Lolo longa super kena dancing tundombolo. Going for perfect if you no. You oughta know I'm not to be slept on no. I'm taking y'all to church Nirvana pa Sunday. Back to the bars dine buana pa Monday. No offense to Makituna Slapu. You cut me off driving a Makituni Slapu. I'm opening a restaurant Chapa Kwatu na ma chef Valley 187 Babika Grau. Nanga feature mwenye.
Whoa, wait, it's like he's what is going on? Maybe I'm reading this wrong, man. This is like a jab, or what is it?
No offense to Makituna Slapu. You cut me off driving a Makituni Slapu. I'm opening a restaurant Chapa Kwatu na ma chef Valley 187.
I'm opening a restaurant at your home. I don't know, at your place.
Babika Grau. Nanga feature munyimbo inowala. Marapa vene mutasha ningo diaka. Cause of load shedding, oh yeah, ningo yaka. Na smart trouser ya pompi, chino chaka. I don't mean to cut you off kwati ni ambirigo. Teku yumfwa nangulo kukano wa fridisho. I'm comfortable with just having a little bit of wealth. And now you wanna offer me a little bit of help. I'm like, Shatara Buluapu. Iriashiria dungu boy. Shatara Buluapu. I'm a punchline, the same it is. Shatara Buluapu. Vaquero na bo TV. Shatara Buluapu. Shatara Buluapu. Iriashiria dungu boy. Shatara Buluapu. I'm a punchline, the same it is. Shatara Buluapu. Vaquero na bo TV. Shatara Buluapu.
I think some shots were fired and I think some feathers were ruffled. I don't know. Like, yeah, I don't understand a lot of the language that is used, but if I understand correctly, he was, yeah, throwing some jabs there to few people, right? Right? Anyway, I don't. Let me know in the comment section, guys, for those of you who understand Nyanja. What is K-Star on about? You know what I mean? So yeah, but the flow is so clean, so chill, man. It seems like he knows what he is talking about and he is walking the talk, you know? Like I am telling you guys, he's just too chill to be cool. Wait, no. Anyway, see you guys on the other side. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm.